Goreng McD. There's nothing like it. Ba-da-ba-ba.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is NUR'AIN MGM3262. My metric number is 70054. McDonalds is a multinational fast food company, and in Malaysia, it operates by Gebang Alaf Restaurant, Sendirian Berhad. With over 300 outlets nationwide, the company operates in the food and beverage service industry, focusing on fast and consistent service. Behind every meal served, McDonald's Malaysia use a centralized purchasing system to source food, ingredient and packaging material. All suppliers must comply with strict halal quality and food safety standards. The company works with approved local and regional suppliers from Malaysia, Singapore and Thailand. This strong supply chain system allows McDonald's Malaysia to ensure consistent quality, efficient operation and customer satisfaction across all outlets.
McDonald's Malaysia has a tough time with suppliers sometimes. Even though they set strict rules, not every supplier sticks to them. For instance, vegetables might show up wilted or not properly cleaned, which mess with food safety and quality. Another headache is late deliveries. Since the restaurants rely on daily supplies, any delay can throw everything off. Menus might need to change or operations get slowed down. And then there's the issue of defects. Some ingredients arrive almost expired, packaging gets damaged, or the quality just isn't up to not up to standard. All of this leads to more waste, higher costs, and a supply chain that doesn't run as smoothly as it should. To deal with all those supplier problems, McDonald's Malaysia has a pretty solid quality assurance system in place. Basically, suppliers have to follow strict international standards like ISO 9001 and HACCP, which are all about keeping food safe and consistent. Since this is Malaysia, there's also the halal side. McDonald's makes sure every supplier gets certified by ZUKIMI, so customers can trust that everything meets Islamic dietary requirements. That is super important here because halal compliance isn't just a nice to have, it's expected. On top of that, the restaurants themselves don't just take deliveries blindly. Staff are trained to check every order when it arrives, looking at expiration dates, packaging, and making sure the quantity is right before accepting anything. McDonald's Malaysia doesn't just stop at setting rules for suppliers. They also use different improvement methods to keep things running smoothly. With Total Quality Management (TQM), the idea is that everyone is in the chain. Suppliers, delivery partners, and even the restaurant staff shares the responsibility for keeping quality high. It's just not one person job, it's a team effort. They also use Six Sigma, which is basically a way to cut down on mistakes and keep things consistent. Whether it's cooking a burger or managing deliveries, Six Sigma helps reduce variability so customers get the same experience every time. On top of that, they practice Kaizen, which is all about small, continuous improvements. It could be something special or simple like improving communication with suppliers or delivery schedules to make things more efficient. When suppliers mess up, it hits McDonald's Malaysia right away. When deliveries are late or ingredients show up in bad condition, the kitchen slows down, menus get cut short, and a lot of food ends up wasted. That means higher costs and a massive flow of operations. From the customer side, it's even more serious. If the ingredients are not fresh or safe, the food does not taste the way it should. People notice right away, and that leads to complaints or dissatisfaction. McDonald's is known for being consistent. You expect the same burger whether you are in Kuala Lumpur or New York. So, even small supplier issues can damage their reputation. That's why keeping supplier quality in check is not just about operations. It's about protecting the brand and keeping customers happy. That's all from me, Siti NUR'AIN NADHIRAH binti Muhammad RADHI S 69902.
Okay, I will explain about transportation and logistics. McDonald's use multiple transportation methods to ensure freshness. Refrigerated trucks carry perishable items like chicken, beef, and dairy, while regular trucks handle vegetables, packaging, and non-perishables. For small or urgent deliveries, third-party courier are used. To control costs and ensure on-time delivery, McDonald's follows a fixed schedule with suppliers and decides whether to use its own trucks or supplier deliveries based on distance, priority, and cost. They also work with third-party logistic partners like OHL and GD Express for remote location or special products. However, logistics comes with risks such as delivery delays, full price increase, import issues, and product damage or loss, which can affect menu availability and customer satisfaction. To improve efficiency and reduce costs, McDonald's use digital planning system to optimize routes, combine deliveries for nearby restaurants, monitor supplies and trade partners, and applies inventory techniques like FIFO to reduce wastage and maintain freshness. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Hi, my name is FAISAL AFNAN bin MUHAIDIN S70413. So I'm going to continue about sustainable and lean purchasing practice in section 4. First and foremost, environmental and sustainability practice in purchasing. This McDonald's restaurant has been operating for 10 years and focused on sustainable selections of handling raw materials. All supplies such as chicken, vegetables, bread, and packaging are checked upon arrival for expiry dates, freshness, hygiene, and packaging condition. Any items that are damaged or near expiry are returned to the suppliers. This practice will help to reduce food waste and environmental sustainability. In addition, the restaurant use safe and standardized packaging and implements effective stock to control, minimize wastage. Next is about application of lean purchasing practice. McDonald's applies lean purchasing principles to control costs and reduce waste. Purchases are made based on demand rather than in bulk, preventing overstocking and spoilage. Daily stock monitoring is conducted to ensure proper inventory management, and first in, first out FIFO rule is strictly followed. So all the stock is consumed first. Deliveries are made by authorized suppliers using appropriate trucks to maintain product quality and freshness. This practice helps to improve operational efficiency and ensure smooth restaurant operation. The last one is challenge and suggested improvements. Despite this practice, the restaurant occasionally face stock shortage, particularly for chicken, bread, and potatoes, which are high demand items. This shortage may result from delivery issues or unexpected high customer demand, leading to menu unavailability and potential dissatisfaction among customers. To address this challenge, the manager suggests implementing a better inventory management system, creating improved purchase schedules, and providing continuous staff training. These measures aim to enhance efficiency and promote long-term sustainability. That's all from me. So I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NUR'AIN Nasir. My number matric is at 69862. In conclusion, McDonald's has a well-organized and efficient purchasing and supply chain. Firstly, McDonald's focused strongly on quality by using strict purchasing standards and supply certification to ensure that all raw material have food safety requirements and help reduce waste. However, there are still some challenges such as supply non-conformance, delayed deliveries, and defect in ingredients. To overcome this problem, McDonald's applies continuous improvement strategies like total quality management, Six Sigma, and Kaizen to improve efficiency in its supply chain. In terms of logistics, McDonald's has an efficient transportation system to ensure products are delivered on time and good condition. For special requirements, the company also outsources to third-party logistics, despite these issues like delivery delay and rising fuel costs. To improve efficiency and control costs, McDonald's use digital planning and effective inventory management system. From a sustainable perspective, practice such as the first in, first out method are used to minimize waste and manage stock properly. Overall, McDonald's supply chain is efficient, quality-focused, and sustainable, allowing the company to meet customer needs and maintain long-term